Hi, so we are here to learn about something about Linux. I'm Ramnath here. I have 13 years of experience in IT and somewhere near around 10 years of experience in Linux, 10 plus years of experience in Linux. And it has been really wonderful learning Linux because it gives you a lot of options other than Windows. So in this video, I'm going to talk about Linux basics and few things that Linux gives to you. Basics about how to get help, debugging tools, filters, cron job, and file handling, and standard input, output, error, permissions, redirection operators, pipe, etc. Let's begin with man first. When we talk about man, in Linux, man is your man. Means this is the command which gives you all kind of help. So when you type in man and then say help, gives you all the options for man command itself. So for example, there is one command in Linux called ls. Once you run ls, it lists all the file in the directory where you are in. For example, you run ls here for slash, it means it is going to list files inside slash directory or root directory. So all the files and directories that comes under it, under root directory, it will show you. So this is absolute path for everything, and there is no other thing after this. So everything starts with slash. When you go into cd slash, you are at some place where everything begins in Linux, file structure wise. Yes, we are talking about file structure. Now let's get back to man. When I say man ls, it should give me information about how to use ls command. Man means manual. So when you run man ls, you are into man page of ls or listing. Ls means list directory contents. Synapses is ls option and file. So basically ls is mainly being used for listing files, or everything in Linux or Unix comes as file. So we have multiple files. Let me tell you the file names or type of files that we deal with. Files, directories, links, soft link, hard link, named pipe, socket files, block files, character files. So there are multiple files like this in Linux. So when ls-a means it will see everything in the directory, even the hidden files. Hidden files starts with dot. -a almost all. Do not list the dot and dot. Dot stands for the present working directory and dot means the parent directory. So author, if you want to print the author of each file, it will do like this, means the owner who created a file or who owns the file, who created the file. It lists down the user as well. B for escape, block size of the file, and then it gives you like in MBs. If you want, it gives you block size in MBs. So bytes, MBs, or anything you want. Ignore backups. Do not list implied entries ending with this. This particular sign stands for home. When you say, so you have seen everything here. It lists down everything based on the options available. Let's go back and say cd this. That's what we were talking about, right? When I say cd tilde sign, I go to home directory of root or user. As of now I am user, so I'm going to home directory of user. Normally I run this with root. I go inside /root, which is not allowed for me because cd/. No, I'm not permitted to go inside because root is ultimate owner of the system. So when I say ls-l, it lists down even the users or authors of the file. It lists down the file. It gives you the file timestamp when it was created. It's inode number, or this is specific information about this particular file. So it lists down everything and the permissions as well. When I say ls-a, it lists down all the hidden files or directories as well. Dot, if you say simply ls, it doesn't give you the files that starts with dot, but when you just say ls-a, it gives you everything. So this is how man works. Man can be used with any command. When you type man-k ls, it gives you all the commands that includes listing. Or you can say, for example, you are not sure about something. Why I got so many errors? Because I'm not root. There are many things that I am not able to handle as a user. When I say man-k list, I'm able to see what all commands are available for listing. List this, list that, list everything that lists will be available. Same thing can be achieved using apropos. Same thing comes when you use apropos list or apropos. If you can see, this is exactly the same thing what I did with man-k list. So it gives the same output. I think this is useful information for any Linux user. Have fun with Linux. We'll see you in next video. Help others and be happy. Thank you.